Hi guys, this is Luke Elder, just sharing my Composition 1 final and the design elements of it. So as a general unified whole, the composition is brought together through two primary things. The first of which being color. The light blue and the salmon is evident in all four of the quadrants. And the other element is shape. I use geometric shapes only for these, both squares and also triangles. So in the top left corner here, you can see that this is scale, and this is represented through three continuous triangles, which are different sizes, continuously larger, actually all by the same amount, a 1.5 multiplication increase. And these are also developing a sense of similarity in terms of a Gestalt principle. They are perfectly even and perfectly connected to each other. And as we move over to the top right here, this was rhythm. And the way in which I developed this was through an alternating structure of squares. And the Gestalt principle that is seen here is a sense of enclosure in between each of these squares actually gives it a sense of movement with the contrasting of the colors as well. And so this sort of off-balanced, staggered element almost gives it a visual sense that it's moving, and that also is helped by the contrasting of the two colors. As you see down on the bottom left here, this was emphasis. And the way in which I did that was through enclosing the salmon colored rectangle or square through all the other blue elements here. And so by enclosing that rectangle, and also the fact that it is the only one of that color within that quadrant, it creates a sense of visual emphasis. And also I pushed the salmon square towards the bottom left of the image to help contribute to the general unified balance of it. And as we move over towards the right, I developed a sense of asymmetrical balance in two ways. First of which, within the quadrant itself, being the contrast between the blue triangles, the three on the bottom right here, and then also the three towards the top left here. And although they are asymmetrically balanced, they give an essence of balance, because if you were to put these three salmons together, they would be almost exactly the same weight as the blue ones here. And in terms of unified balance, the triangles on the top right here coincide with the triangles on the top left here. And so there's a sense of asymmetry in terms of balance with the triangles and then with the squares on this other side.